Manager YTC Naleba, teachers and instructors, parents, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, graduates, staff and trainers. I warmly greet you all on this auspicious occasion as we gather to celebrate yet another milestone achievement of this ministry. Today, we honor the success of 28 young Fijians who are graduating with qualifications in basic management, in livestock and organic vegetable farming. This training program was designed with a clear and purposeful vision to broaden the knowledge and skills of our youth in the areas of organic vegetable farming, nursery management, and livestock management. The core aim of this program was to create pathways for further education through youth training centers, empower young people to utilize the natural and economic resources available in their communities to generate income, to promote healthier lifestyles through the adoption of organic farming practices, and raise awareness of the increasing demand for organic products, both locally and globally. Through this training, you have gained the essential skills and knowledge to successfully rear and manage livestock and produce organic vegetables within your own communities. The results of this initiative are promising. You are now eligible to apply for grants and pursue higher education. With this milestone, we are fulfilling one of our ministry's core mandates to empower young Fijians to explore their potential and create an enabling environment for sustainable livelihoods. Dear graduates, today marks the beginning of your professional journey. The training you have undergone here at Naleba has laid the foundation for your growth. As you step into the workforce, I encourage you to uphold discipline, integrity, and professionalism. Let your achievements reflect the value of your time here at the Naleba Youth Training Centre. We are beginning to see the positive impact of such programs: a healthier and more skilled workforce, a reduction in failed projects, increased food security, and a decline in poverty levels in our communities. I want to take this opportunity to commend every single one of you, participants, trainers, and staff, for your dedication, commitment, and perseverance in making this program a success. Your hard work has not gone unnoticed, and it will continue to bear fruit for years to come. As we officially close this chapter, let us commit to continuing our efforts in supporting and empowering young people across Fiji to thrive in the agricultural sector. Together, we can build a sustainable and prosperous future for our communities. Vinawalevu, and I thank you.